Hey gang, this is Reza with
Mahesh,
and we are here with a brand new episode of Starving Videographer for you guys. Today we want to talk to you about something very important in the creative workflow, and that is
audio.
Our audio workflow has always been a little bit challenging because there's two of us, and if we want really good audio, we usually have to record two different sources of audio. In this case, I'm using a Rode Wireless Go system, and Mahesh has a Zoom recorder in his pocket recording directly to the Zoom. And for us to get both of our channels into the video, we have to synchronize it in post-production. And to do that, we generally do one of these numbers, right? Or one of those numbers. And that creates a sync point in our audio where we can then line up the two different waves and make sure that our audio is in sync. But what do you think? It takes quite a bit of work to get this whole thing dialed up, right?
Yeah, Reza, I'm not crazy about it. I remember this one situation where we were filming stuff by the waterfall, and I said to you, wouldn't it be great if we had a microphone system that allowed us to both record at the same time without going through this entire process of, clapping there and syncing things up later and not knowing which channel is working well and which one isn't, being able to visually see one but not the other. So, yeah, not the ideal situation.
True story. One day we were out in the field and we were trying to fiddle with the audio and to get it all synced, and by the time we got it going, we kind of lost a little bit of our light and things of that nature. So as soon as Em said that, my mind immediately began to look for a solution where we could have two channels recording at the same time. And luckily, today we have that, and it's from...
This is what you're talking about, Reza.
That's
from
the beauty.
Saramonic. Look at this. It says ultra compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system with lavalier. So this is an answer to our prayers.
This is exactly what we were looking for. We're going to be able to both have wireless transmitters that go to the camera's receiver and record both of our channels at the same time. So no more clapping.
And less post-production work on our part.
Less post-production work. And the cool thing is that each one of our transmitters have their own built-in microphones as well. So we can use them without additional lavalier mics, but it also comes with two lavalier mics, so we can get directional audio that's very well controlled with our labs, or we can just, in a run-and-gun situation, use the built-in mics. So we have a lot of flexibility, and it's wireless.
Yeah, and so everything up to this point is being recorded on two different systems. And everything after this point, what you're going to hear is going to be on one system on the Saramonic. We are now back, and you are listening to the smooth audio from Saramonic. Can you notice the difference? Before, this is the system I had on, the Zoom with the lavalier and this big device right here. And Reza, what did you have?
I had the Rode Wireless Go, so two different systems, not very convenient, right?
Yeah, right now it's very smooth, it's very in sync. We don't have to worry about different wires, different syncing. It's just so much easier, I think, at least at this point. But we'll have to look at the audio, look at in-depth waveforms to see what exactly they look like, if they're really better. Convenience-wise, it's awesome, but let's see if that holds up in the audio. What do you think?
Exactly. Every different system, that recorder right there, this recorder right here has different noise floors. So depending on the configuration of how you have your preamp set or what levels you're at, you're going to get different noise properties. But like Em was saying, in terms of convenience, we didn't have to clap.
Yeah, no brainer.
Nothing. We just put them on, turn them on, and it's mixing two channels down. So in case you guys want to check it out, it's called the Saramonic Blink 500, and we're using the B2 system.
Gotcha.
There's several different flavors that come in different models like B2, B3, B4. They work with iPhone and Android.
Great.
So yeah.
If you like this content, if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to our channel and like our video. We'll see you next time. That clap wasn't necessary for the audio.
No claps needed. See ya.